YouTube. Yeah, I needed to get out on the bike today. Had a rough few weeks. I lost my number one buddy, my Yorkie that I've had for 13 years. He just recently passed away, and he was really my first pet. I didn't have a pet growing up. When my daughter was 11, I decided to purchase a dog for her because she had been bugging me for years and years, and didn't think I would get attached, but I did. That little guy was around me from the time I woke up until the time I went to bed. We traveled together, watched football together, movies. Always in a good mood, always wanting to play. And a couple of weeks ago, he started to get sick, couldn't keep water down, really lethargic, wouldn't eat. So I took him over to an emergency animal hospital, and the news wasn't good. He had end-stage kidney failure, and that just broke my heart. They could keep him alive. They said they could keep him alive for a little while longer, but he just seemed to be in a lot of pain, a lot of discomfort. So I decided to go ahead and put him to sleep. And I was in the room with him when they gave him the injections for euthanasia. And it was one of the toughest things I've ever dealt with. It was tough. My daughter was there, I was there in this little room. They did a great job. I mean, I guess they're used to doing this type of thing, the animal hospital, but they did a really good job. And they had us in a room. They brought in my buddy, said our goodbyes, and then it was over. It was over just like that. And for the last couple of weeks, man, it's been really tough dealing with that loss. Dogs just want to be around you. They just want to be loved, and they want to give you the same love, be there for you. Dogs are just awesome. Most dogs anyway. They're just awesome. And he was a great companion. I got him when I was still living in Virginia back in 2011. Had an adventure driving down here to Texas in a U-Haul. Man, he was an awesome dog. And my point is, motorcycling is helping me kind of deal with that. Puts my mind at ease, puts me in a Zen state, or a state of Zen. And yeah, it helps a little. It's going to take time to get over this loss, but I know he's in a better place right now, getting all the treats he wants, running around like a little mad dog. He only weighed 7 pounds, but he thought he was a pit bull. Loyal is all get out. Such a loyal dog. But yeah, man, he's in a better place. But anyway, back to the ride.